हेलो एवरीबॉडी हियर कमिंग अगेन। सो सबसे पहले मैं आप सबको थैंक यू सो मच बोलना चाहती हूँ, आपके इतने प्यारे प्यारे मैसेजेस का, आपके लव का, आपके अफेक्शन का और आपकी ब्लेसिंग्स का ऑन टीचर्स डे। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर टू ईच एंड एवरीबॉडी. And I'm really, I don't have words to express my happiness that yeah, I can just say that I'm very blessed that God chose me for this purpose. Thank you so much. Is of how to teach the pre-math concept to our children, because it's been observed that our children are very quickly learn ABCD 1 2 3, but the main somewhere we are not giving not giving attention to such things ki these are also very important things. So pre-math concepts are very important concepts to build a correct foundation, to strong foundation for our child. So today I'm going to talk about the concept of more. Yeah, so more in the sense how the child can understand which things are more and which are less. Okay, so in this video today we will discuss about how to teach the concept of more to our children. All right, here we go. So when we teach the concept of more to the children, the prerequisites are there that the child must understand things. We just give the opportunities to the child to observe which are more in quantity. Okay, not encouraging the child to count them. Okay, so the prerequisite is the number quantification, number identification. So first of all, we will take two A4 size sheet or half of the sheet, the blank one, so that the child can observe the two different things easily and maintain a distance little bit. I had lady finger, so I am using these things which I have. Okay, so first we introduce ki okay beta, now see lady fingers, okay, these are more. See, ये बहुत सारे हैं, बहुत सारे, ज़्यादा. more मतलब ज़्यादा, more मतलब ज़्यादा. Okay, more lady finger, okay. So now mama or ma'am is changing. Now we will observe which are more. कौन से more है? Let's see. Again I'm telling, don't encourage the child to count is not necessary in this concept. The concept of the which are more is important, so we just give the concept ki okay, see these are more. Okay, we will not use less ki these are less. We will not introduce this thing. Just give the errorless teaching more. Okay, yeah. So here another variable, so you can use at least 20 different materials but identical. So like I have these things, so I just put these things and we will ask the child, okay beta, now observe both. Okay, and now tell me which is more. The child will point or tell these are more. Okay, you can change or in front of the child, okay, now mama is shifting, now tell me beta which is more. The minute the child will go count 1 and 2, completely discourage, please, completely discourage. Just the main idea is that the child brain will get the develop the capacity or develop the understanding through the visualization. Okay, which are more, so these are more eraser or more flower. Okay, yeah, here I'm using different materials, so the child will observe and they will tell more. The child will touch more. You can interchange the things again and again, so the brain can get the idea ki okay, the things which are more, so I can sense and I can tell, okay, these are more. You can interchange the things like this also, and keep on asking the child, okay beta, now which is more. The child will touch this. Okay, so in that way we can develop the concept okay, of more in child's brain through the tangible item first, because when we go tangible to abstract, so the child brain can understand easily, and every gap we just, this is the first step I'm talking about. In next video I will tell you how we can move on. So first we give the child the exposure of the concept of more or any other concept through the tangible item, and then gradually we move on to abstract thing. So because it's been observed, when we provide directly worksheet to the child, the child is not able to get the things properly, because somewhere they just wrote the things ki, okay, this is more, this is this, but the understanding, the concept is not very clear in their head. And in in bigger classes they face problem, and again we need to work upon the foundation, the strong, or the make the foundation strong, so that the child will be very confident and they can learn easily. Okay, so I will attach a video of my student, how he is doing concept of more very confidently. Yeah, thank you so much. I hope my video helps you. Thank you. फिर आज हम कॉन्सेप्ट करेंगे मोर का, ठीक है। सो कामनी मैम यहाँ पे सामान रख रही हैं एंड सुवीर बताएगा किसमें मोर फ्लावर हैं। सुवीर ऑब्जर्व बोथ द थिंग्स, हाँ, इधर भी देखो इधर भी देखो। अब देखो मोर, यस ये मोर है, वेरी गुड। हैंड फोल्ड, अपने पास हाथ रखो। अब देखो कामनी मैम शिफ्ट कर रही है सामान, थोड़ा सामान शिफ्ट कर दिया आपने, ठीक है। अब सुवीर बताएगा कौन से वाले ज़्यादा है, कौन से मोर है बेटा, यस ये मोर है। स्टिक्स हैं, अब सुवीर बताएगा, देखो दोनों स्टिक्स देखो, इधर भी देखो इधर भी देखो। अब सुवीर बताएगा मोर स्टिक्स किस में, यस ये मोर है। कैसे हैं, मोर यानी ज़्यादा है। हैंड अपने पास, कामनी मैम शिफ्ट कर रही है सामान। सुवीर अब बताओ, अब कौन से मोर हो गए, मोर, वेरी